Today we're looking at the different spend milestones for all of Chase's cards. These range drastically from additional credits, to elite status, to free night awards. The goal isn't to spend extra for fun, it's more about allocating spend strategically, especially around cutoff periods. Big favor before we dive in is to give this a thumbs up to help with the algorithm. If you know someone that might benefit, then share this with them. Starting off, we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. This is probably the most controversial. If you hit 75k in spend in a calendar year, you unlock status and credits, and this is for the remainder of the year earned in the following calendar year. This includes credits for shops at Chase, which is pretty much a marketplace to buy stuff. Another one is IHG One Rewards Diamond Elite status. I'll get into this one a bit more later, since there is another card where you can earn this with a lot less spend. Also Southwest Airlines Chase Travel Credit and A-List status. Think of A-List as the first rung with seat selection, priority boarding, one checked bag free, same day standby, and express lanes. Your mileage may vary if any of these matter. On my end, I'm pretty far off from 75k, given that we have about a month left. Not worth chasing on my end, but worth considering if you're close. With the Chase Sapphire Reserve for Business, it's pretty much the same idea, just a higher bar. Here you're looking at 120k each calendar year, and it's the same terms. Same credits if that's your jam, and same elite status if you benefit from it. I think the main reason for the difference is that businesses tend to spend more. Also, elevated multipliers like advertising make it easy. Next up, we have the World of Hyatt Credit Card. This one's tough. You can earn a free night award after 15k in purchases, but it only works for category 1 through 4. If you're already spending on the card and you're near that threshold, then great, otherwise the juice might not be worth the squeeze. One reason people do spend on the card though is that you earn 2 tier qualifying night credits for every 5,000 in purchases. These are nights towards status, not redeemable nights. This can be useful if you're a bit short of status and you have spend to allocate. The alternative being a mattress run. The World of Hyatt Business Credit Card is a bit better in this respect. You earn 5 tier qualifying night credits for every 10k in spend. Put another way, you're earning 25% more tier qualifying night credits for every 10k in spend. So 5 instead of 4. Unlike the personal card, there's no free night award. What you do have is a redemption bonus, so it's spend 50k in a calendar year, and you get 10% of your redeemed points back for the rest of the year, up to 200k points redeemed. The main issue is timing. So the redemption bonus is during the remainder of that calendar year. Stays before reaching the spend milestone do not count. That means you probably want to hit that 50k mark by probably summer or maybe fall, that way it actually works. It can make sense, but a little annoying. Heading over to the IHG One Rewards Traveler Credit Card, there's incentives, but it doesn't really make sense. So if you hit 10k in spend in the calendar year, you get 10,000 bonus points. IHG points aren't the strongest, and this isn't the strongest earner. If you hit 20k in annual spend, you get Gold Elite status. You can get better status by holding their other cards. With the IHG One Rewards Premier Credit Card, you get Platinum Elite status with no spend. If you do spend, you can earn $100 statement credit and 10,000 bonus points for hitting 20k in purchases in a calendar year. Again, IHG points are a bit weak, so not the biggest deal. The main spend milestone is 40k in a calendar year to get Diamond Elite status through December 31st of the following year. This is their top level status. Normally you need 70 nights or 120k qualified points. The key perks to me would be 100% bonus points, along with breakfast as a welcome amenity choice at check-in. Whether that's worth it depends on you, but not worth it to me. There are other benefits, but some like Hertz President Circle, you can get from other cards. Diamond Support Line I have a hard time quantifying, and Reward Night discounts you get with Platinum already. Pretty much the same problem with early check-in. If you're an IHG loyalist, then it might be worth considering. The IHG One Rewards Premier Business Credit Card is pretty much exactly the same, with one difference. You have the same 20k milestone of statement credits and bonus points, and same 40k for Diamond Elite status. On top of this though, you can earn an additional free night after you spend 60k in a calendar year. This is only for hotels 40k points or less, so a bit weak in my book. If you're already close, then fine, but I'd be careful of opportunity cost. There's other cards out there where 15k in spends might get you a free night reward that's uncapped. So instead of just 40k points in value, you could use it at a hotel that would run you 250k points. On a side note, if you are someone that wants to learn more about cards, whether these ones or pretty much any other cards out there, and you want to support the channel, we have links on the website asksebby.com and also down below in the description box. Make sure the links are competitive, that it makes sense for you, but otherwise it's a huge way to support the channel, so thank you in advance. Switching chains, with the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card. Here you get Gold Elite status after 35k USD in spend in a given year. Gold Elite is pretty mid and 35k is a lot of spend. You also get 1 Elite Night credit for every 5K in spend. It might make sense in an emergency, but I'd rather just do a mattress run. One level up is the Marriott Bonvoy Bountiful Credit Card. Here you can earn a free night award up to 50K points after spending 15K in a calendar year. The main issue is that this card by itself isn't really the best. Unlike a lot of other hotel cards, you don't get an anniversary free night award by holding it. The main value prop of the card is Gold Elite status. But to be fair, I'd rather get this card rather than spend 15K on the last card. On the top end, we have the Ritz-Carlton credit card. The main lever here is 75K in spend in a calendar year to get Platinum Elite status. As much as I like this card, the other Bonvoy flagship card includes Platinum status just by holding it. Heading over to airlines, we have the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card. Here you can earn 1500 tier qualifying points towards A-list status for every 5K in spend annually. If you are using this lever, I consider its older brother. With the Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card, it's a bit better. Here it's 2500 tier qualifying points for every 5K in spend annually, so significantly more efficient. For example, here you're looking at about 70K in spend to hit A-list status. On the business end, we have two main options. One is 2500 TQPs, while the other's 2000 TQPs for that same 5K in spend. It depends on if you can use the other features, but generally you're optimizing for earned rate for TQPs, so pick up the one that earns more. Switching carriers, we have the United Explorer card. You can earn $100 in United Travel Bank cash after you spend 10K on purchases each calendar year. If you spend $20,000 in a calendar year, then you earn one 10K Mile Award flight discount that can be used for eligible flights with United and United Express. Note that you can only earn a maximum of one of these every calendar year. Not bad at all, but not worth chasing by itself. If you're chasing elite status, you can earn one premier qualifying point for every $20 in spend up to 1000 PQP per year. It's a very low cap here and not the greatest earn rate. One level up is the United Quest card. Here you can earn a 10,000 mile award flight discount after spending 20K on purchases each calendar year. If you hit 40K in spend in a calendar year, then you earn 2 Global Economy Plus upgrades. Spending towards status starts to work here. You earn the same 1 PQP for every $20 in spend, but it's up to 18K here. On the top of the food chain is the United Club card. For every 20,000 spend in a calendar year, you earn a 10K Mile Award flight discount. You can earn a maximum of 2 of these, so a max of 40K in net purchases per calendar year. The main draw of the card is the United Club membership. Here you can unlock an all-access membership by hitting 50K in annual card spend each year. There's a lot going on here, but one of the draws is getting 4 United Club one-time passes. Lastly, you earn 1 PQP for every $15 in spend up to 28,000 PQP in a calendar year. If you're spending towards status, this is the best version of the card. On the business end, you have the United Business card. Here you can earn 2 Continental US Economy Plus seat upgrades for hitting 25K in spend in a calendar year. You also earn 1 PQP for every $20 in spend, up to 4,000 PQP per year. On the top level, you have the United Club Business card. A bit different than the personal version, at least for spend incentives. For example, you can earn 2 Global Economy Plus seat upgrades for hitting 40K in spend in a calendar year. The rest is pretty similar though. So 50K in annual card spend unlocks the all-access membership. You also earn the same 1 PQP for every $15 in spend, up to 28,000 PQP per year. Switching airlines, we have the British Airways Visa Signature card. Here you can earn a Travel Together ticket for hitting 30K in spend in a calendar year, and it's valid for 2 years once you get it. When you redeem Avios for a flight on BA, then your companion can travel together with you, or you get a 50% discount on Avios pricing when you're booking a solo reward flight. Definitely a lot of spend, but might make sense. The Travel Together part gets you a second seat for a companion on the same flight in the same cabin when you book a reward flight on BA, Iberia, or Aer Lingus. When you are booking these reward flights, you can choose all peak dates, all off-peak dates, or a mixture of the two. Note that for first class, a cash amount to cover taxes, fees, and carrier charges will be payable. Still a bit niche, but worth looking into. Switching airlines, we have the Iberia Visa Signature card. This one's a miss for me. For hitting 30K in spend in a calendar year, you earn a $1,000 airline discount voucher. This has to be used towards 2 tickets on the same Iberia flight. Pretty minimal upside. 1,000 value divided by 30K in spend is 3.3% return on spend as a best case. Next up, we have the Aer Lingus Visa Signature card. This one's somehow worse. If you hit 30K in spend in a calendar year, then you receive an economy companion ticket that's good for 12 months. I guess there might be times where the math works out, but that's a lot of spend for an economy buy one get one ticket. Last up, we have the Aeroplan credit card. This one's a bit complicated, but let's speed run through this. If you hit 15K in spend in a calendar year, you earn Aeroplan 25K status through the following calendar year. This is okay. It's bottom of the rung status and does not get you Star Alliance Gold status. The main draw is seat selection, free checked bags, and a bit of priority. More interesting though is the next level. If you hit 50K in spend in a calendar year, you earn the Aeroplan Elite status level up benefit. So this is a 1 level increase of your status for the next calendar year. On the bottom levels, not the most exciting, the upside is hitting 50K, 75K, or Super Elite. Probably a bit too in the weeds for most people, but if you go back and forth for work, or maybe you split your time, then it can be pretty amazing. Overall, a lot of different options. It just depends on your spend and whether it's worth the squeeze. Again, if you want to learn about cards, we have links on the website, asksebby.com, and also down below in the description box. And if you're curious, all legal affiliate disclosures can also be found below in the description box. If you made it to this point, leave an orange emoji in the comments down below, and I'll try to heart it and also respond. 3 questions. Number 1, are you going for any of these spend incentives? Number 2, which ones do you think are worth it? And number 3, which ones need to be updated or refreshed? Let me know and everyone else know in the comments down below. Big favorite thumbs up, share this, otherwise if you liked it. See you next time.